remind everyone that Arizona is perhaps the worst state in the country for fraud right now at 2.5 billion per Chris Mays. Okay, so when I hear Marcus Johnson and Vanessa Templeman in the 8/18/2025 hearing, which I will show you a clip in a minute, say to Senator Warner and Senator Shope and others in the public that they speak and are called upon to speak at conferences and to teach others about how to detect fraud, that is extremely concerning to me, right? Does it concern you a little bit that the number one state in the country with the most fraud is the one teaching others how to deal with fraud? It makes zero sense, you guys. It makes zero sense. Why would we be teaching others how to do what we clearly don't know how to fix? Does that make sense to anyone? Why are we not the ones learning from other states that are clearly doing it better than us? Other question that I have is, why are we continuing to keep Vanessa Templeman and Marcus Johnson and these people in leadership positions, Katie Hobbs, Chris Mays? Why are you keeping them there since the fraud issue continues to persist for so many years and continues to get worse in Arizona? Why are these people still in their employment? Why is that happening? I don't understand. There's something weird happening here. Is it just me? Is it just me? Listen as he says this in the 8/18 hearing, then I'll talk.
We have learned a lot through this process, and we as a state are now actually recognized in many ways for tackling fraud, waste, and abuse and preventing fraud, waste, and abuse. CMS has stated, quote, Arizona is as a success story for identifying and responding to fraud. Our agency and the Medicaid Fraud Control Unit of the Attorney General's office are often called upon national partners in order to inform other states or the nation about potential opportunities to address fraud, waste, and abuse. We are constantly requested to come speak at national conferences, and we're also on a number of boards nationally in order to inform fraud, waste, and abuse efforts.
Okay, so again, a little strange, right? Arizona is leading the way, you guys. You heard the right. Well, you know what I'm going to do, Marcus Johnson, Vanessa Templeman? I'm going to make sure that CMS and all of them are tagged in all my posts. And everyone here who listens to this, please tag and send and repost so we can get the word out, because Arizona should be not the top of the line teaching others, but we should be behind the line learning from others, okay? We have a lot to learn. Let's start with getting new leaders, okay? Goodness gracious.